Hi, my name is Gauri and I'm a legal intern with Lexis & Company. Today I'll be discussing the landmark judgment of United States versus Nixon, um, which dealt with the scope of executive privilege and the power of the President of the United States to withhold information during a criminal investigation. The case arose from the Watergate scandal, a political scandal that led to the resignation of President Richard Nixon. The case began when a special prosecutor investigating the Watergate break-in sought access to audio recordings of the conversation that took place in the Oval Office of the White House. President Nixon refused to release the tapes, citing executive privilege. The principle that the president has the right to keep certain communications confidential in order to protect national security or preserve the integrity of the decision-making process. The dispute over the tapes eventually reached the Supreme Court, and in a unanimous 8-0 decision, with one justice recusing, the court held that the president's claim of executive privilege was not absolute and had to yield to the interests of justice and the need for evidence in a criminal investigation. The court emphasized that executive privilege could be invoked only in matters of national security or military affairs and not to shield wrongdoing or to impede the due administration of justice. As a result, the Supreme Court ordered President Nixon to release the subpoenaed tapes to the special prosecutor. Faced with the impending release of damaging evidence, President Nixon resigned from office, making him the first and only US president to resign. The United States versus Nixon case had significant implications for the balance of power between the executive branch and the judiciary, reaffirming that no person, including the president, is above the law. It established important precedent regarding executive privilege, clarifying that it is not absolute and must yield to other constitutional obligations. That is it for today's video. If you have any doubts, you can post them in the comment section.